Welcome back. Glad you made it back to my channel. Well, if you are paying a shop to diagnose or repair a GM transmission without knowing exactly which one is in your vehicle, you are risking thousands of dollars on the wrong repair. One wrong assumption about a transmission can turn a simple fix into a full rebuild you never needed. Do you actually know which transmission is in your GM vehicle right now, or are you trusting a badge, a year range, or what someone told you at the counter? In this video, we are going to give you the RPO codes, show you which transmission each code maps to, and connect those codes directly to the actual transmission models GM installed in these vehicles. This is not just identification. This is about understanding which transmissions hold up, which ones have known problems, and which ones become expensive mistakes when misdiagnosed. Before we get into the list, this video builds directly on another one we already made called How to Identify your GM transmission using RPO codes and verify it before repairs or buying used car. That video shows you where to find the RPO label, how to read it, and how to confirm what transmission is actually in the vehicle you are working on or thinking about buying. This video takes the next step by explaining what those codes mean in the real world. We will also explain which upgrades actually help extend transmission life, where cooling and internal improvements make a difference, and where upgrades do not fix built-in design limits. Knowing the difference matters before you spend money. If you cannot find your RPO label, we also have a video called GMRPO Codes, Finding Missing Glove Box Labels and Why You Should Decode Before Buying Used Vehicles, which shows you how to handle that situation. When you understand which transmission you have, how it behaves, and where its limits are, you can make smarter decisions before repairs and avoid expensive mistakes when buying used. Oh, and one last thing you should know, all of my viewers who own GM Escalade, Yukon, Suburban, or Tahoe vehicles have saved this playlist, and you should too. It's a one-stop shop. It contains all of my GM repair videos, over 100 of them. Following this single playlist can save you tons of money by fixing simple problems yourself using simple tools. The playlist is called GM Yukon Denali Suburban Tahoe Owners Watch These DIY Videos Before They Overpay for Repairs. You can find all of these videos by clicking the upper right-hand corner of the screen or by using the links at the bottom of the description. Okay, now here's what you have been waiting for, the list of the transmissions and RPO codes they correspond to.